Hello, do I start?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Vana.
You have to tell your last name as
Hello.
Hello. Okay, that's good. Hello, my name is Vana Vukelic, and I'm from Croatia.
Really now? Really? Haven't even started.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Are you registering? Are you recording now?
Recording now.
Are you already recording? Okay. Now let me think about what I'm saying. Hold on.
You're panicking here.
No, it's not panic. It's just that I don't remember what I want to say. Hold on.
Just because. Okay.
Can I start?
Yes, you can start.
So, haven't even started.
Okay.
Think about the
Hello,
funeral.
hello.
Think of a funeral now.
Of what?
Funeral. Don't laugh.
Funeral.
Funeral.
But
Someone has died, and they talk about you and how helpful you are.
Yeah.
And what does
No, I know. Yeah, I just
Does
want to
this
make
make you
it
more
better.
comfortable?
Oh yes, he said. Oh, actually yes, because I've got someone behind me. Can you?
Holding
Are you gonna
hands,
stay?
that's fine.
But no, I'm gonna.
Δεν γνωρίζετε κάτι για την Anchor, ελάτε να με βρείτε και θα σας ενημερώσω. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Okay, that's it. I like my first one more.
people and that's it. I have to remind myself, wait.
Here, here.